Hello everyone, is your PC running slow? Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and effective ways to speed up your computer without spending a single dollar. Let's boost your PC's performance right now. First, clean startup programs. Let's stop unnecessary apps from launching at startup. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right click and disable programs you don't need at boot. Next, clean up junk files. Press Win plus R. Type clean mgr and hit enter. Select your drive, usually C, and click OK. Check all boxes and click delete files. This can free up GBs of space. Uninstall unused program. Over time, we install apps we no longer use. Go to the control panel, programs, uninstall a programs. Remove anything you don't use or recognize. Optimize background services. Background services eat up RAM and CPU. Press Win plus R, type msconfig. Go to the Services tab. Click Hide Microsoft Services and disable the ones you don't need it. Update Windows. Outdated drivers can slow you down. Open Setting, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install. Use an SSD. Restart your PC at least once a week and avoid running too many browser tabs. If this video helped speed up your PC, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.